Hi guys, welcome to your first tutorial in web design and development. And in this series, I'm going to teach you how to design a website. A website is just a page where you can access a service from your browser. And browsers, we know the browsers that we use. Example, Chrome, Explorer, Firefox. Those are kind of the browsers, some of the browsers we use. So if that page or that service can be accessed via internet through those web browsers, then that is a website. And these 5 courses are going to teach you the basics of web design, and you don't need to know programming for you to be able to benefit from this course. And in this era, guys, everyone needs to know how to design a website, at least, so that they can run their businesses and be able to grow. The advantage of knowing it yourself is you can tweak, you know what to tweak and how to tweak in that website of yours that you're using for branding. So guys, welcome again, and let us just get right onto it. So the first tutorial series will be covering HTML. HTML is an acronym for hypertext markup language, and this simply handles your text in the site, the paragraphs, the headings, the titles, the articles. All those texts in your website will need to be written in HTML tags, and that is what HTML does. So I'll quickly show you by an example. So this one here is a website that I'm designing, a web application that I'm designing for a point of sale in an hotel. And when you see right here, you can see there's some text. There's the user, cashier, dashboard, order, stock, supplies, restaurant, meal, all dishes. All this text, guys, is done in HTML, and that is the function of HTML. The next thing, guys, that we will learn is CSS. And CSS simply means it's an acronym that stands for cascaded style sheet, and it handles all the styling of your site, and the styling includes the background, the margins. Yeah, so I'll quickly show you its functions right now, right here. So yeah, so here in this site, you can see that the background here in this section is dark blue. The background here is grayish. Here it's white, and then when I hover through these meals right here, the fish and stuff, I hope I'm not making you salivate wherever you are. So yeah, so when I hover through this meals over here, you can see there is a shadow effect. Okay, there is a shadow effect when I hover through them. And when I hover through the buttons, you can see they turn green. Yeah, isn't that awesome? Yes. So you will design that using cascaded style sheets. So that's how you stylish your site. The next thing is JavaScript. JavaScript just makes your site responsive, and that means you can receive alerts, you can receive notifications, and such things. So this is just done by JavaScript. So guys, you wanna you want to know how to do this because it makes your site really responsive. So I'll just click one of those mails. Yeah, this is not for show off, guys. So when I click that, you can see this, that element or that mail moves upwards, right? Moves upwards with some certain speed, you know. And when I click on that, you can see that pop-up coming. So all that work is done by JavaScript. Remember, the text inside here is HTML, okay, and the red buttons here, the red, the blue, you know, that is done by CSS, but the pop-up itself is a JavaScript function. You'll see, yeah, another alert here. You see, could not submit already, you know, pop-up. Okay, it's a pop-up. It's a pop-up. So guys, you want to know how to design your website so that things can pop up to your design your website such that things can pop up on your clients or people who visit your site. PHP means hypertext preprocessor, and it's a server-side language, server-side language, and it handles the logic or things to do with the server. You know, you can't access PHP on your website or on your browser. Yeah, so I'll tell us more about it when we get there. Yeah, so that is PHP. MySQL is the database. Yeah, the database language, and here you will store all your information. Store information. Yeah, so I'll give you an example. If you would subscribe to a particular website, your name and your detail and your password will need to be stored somewhere, and it will go to a database. Yeah, a secure database somewhere. So that is the work of MySQL. There are other databases, other languages, other types of database, and I will teach us all that once we get there. So stay tuned, guys. It's very simple, very easy to know web design. If you would just give it some time, maybe 2 weeks or so, you should be there. You will be there. You'll be able to make decisions on designing your own website, or even telling people to design your website in a particular way, because you have a better understanding of web design. So this tutorial series is brought to you by TechCram, and you want to visit techcram.com for more exciting techie stuff. Yeah, so the site is still growing. Yeah, so just support us, guys, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you can subscribe to our channel and you'll be receiving notification. Also hit the notification button so that you'll be able to be notified if we post our next tutorials. Welcome, guys, and have a nice day. See you next time. Bye.